if the dynamic island is stuck on your iPhone. So in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this issue. Now, if you have used a feature or an app on your iPhone, then if you go to the home screen and if the animation is still stuck on the dynamic island, then the first thing you should do is just swipe up from the bottom of the screen and open the recent apps section. And from here, just swipe up and remove all the apps from the background. Now, if you have done that and if this did not work, then just tap and hold on the dynamic island. Now, if it pops up and if it shows you a play or pause button, just tap on it, then tap on anywhere on the screen, or if the X button shows on the dynamic island, just tap on it to remove it. Now, this happens when you leave an action working on your iPhone, like if you enable the stopwatch or the voice recorder opened, and if you leave the app will run in the background and it will show the animation of the progress in the dynamic island. Now, if you've done that and if this did not work, then just follow the next method. For that, just perform a force restart on your iPhone. Now, to do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. After the force restart is completed, then go to your home screen and check if this fixes your issue or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update, and from here just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. But if this also did not work, then just check which app is stuck in the dynamic island. If you know which app is stuck in the dynamic island, just go back to the main settings page, and in Settings, just scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now, under the notifications, just look for the app which is stuck in the dynamic island. For an example, let's say if it is the Calendar app. Now just open the notification settings of the Calendar app, then disable the toggle for Allow Notifications. Now just wait for a few seconds, then enable this toggle back on. And by doing that, you will fix the dynamic island notification stuck issue on your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.